Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Zadar Grey. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, and cascade along the side you're going to find further features all courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of upgraded 22-inch gloss black alloys. To the rear you'll notice your privacy glass and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights, and as we open the powered tailgate you will reveal a vast amount of boot space, where you'll also be able to locate further controls for electrically deployable tow bar. Rear passengers are certainly going to be impressed with their cloud and ebony perforated Windsor leather seats with their own slide and recline features. Within the cockpit will reveal your 20-way heated memory front seats, and glimpsing over to your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen and your fully leather heated steering wheel. Lastly, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof which engrosses this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Velar, which we have here at our dealership. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.